Does cloves still work? Actually, if you've tried cloves before, cloves is not the first time we're hearing about it. You know, there was a time it trended a lot and it damaged some people's hair. I honestly did not try it back then, but I have read about it and now I know a better recipe that you can try, you know, to incorporate cloves into your growth routine. Please ignore this place, I kept it on the floor. Anyway, I boiled the cloves and the hibiscus leaf. Now the hibiscus leaf, you use it depending on how, you know, you feel like your hair dries out a lot. So I added hibiscus leaf in it, that's why it's coloring like this. And then I actually left it in the water in a cool dark place for, I think, like only 1 day. I made it at night and then I, you know, turned it out the next night, like 2 nights. I left it for 2 nighs. Then I sieved out the cloves and I poured it in a different container and put it in the fridge, but I lost that clip. Throughout the challenge, the cloves were actually in the fridge and I took from the fridge. As you see, I was battling with the tape. I was even raising my head so that I will get the true length, and the true length is 15 inches. By the way, welcome or welcome back. If you're new here, massage the subscribe button will grow on this channel and it's free. If you're doing the challenge and you know deep down in your heart that you don't have patience to detangle your hair, please make sure that you make your hair. Don't follow me. Don't follow me, because I didn't make my hair. I was carrying hairstyles like this, so when I opened the inside, oh, all heaven let loose. Is it all heaven? All hell let loose when I opened it. But the detangling process also wasn't that bad. I didn't lose as much hair as I expected that I would lose with the way my hair was matted. Like, so if you are, you know, scared of trying cloves, or you've been hearing about it, you've been wanting to try it, but you heard that it breaks hair and all of that, this recipe is the best recipe for you to try. You will not have breakage, to help minimize breakage. And remember to take note of the things I'm going to say in this video. Make sure you do them, because I won't be held responsible. When you want to, you know, follow a challenge like this, or follow anything that you want to learn something on the internet, actually take your time and watch the video and learn it, so that you will not come and say you follow the YouTuber and it damaged your hair. See my hair, it didn't damage my hair. So if you follow me or follow it how I did it, or modify it to suit your own hair type, because I'm saying it like this because there are people that will be watching that might have low porosity hair, and if you don't know this poro that we're talking, I will link a video for you to see about your porosity and know which one you should actually, you know, how you should go about trying it. But cloves has, you know, good amount of protein, and if you are, you know, sensitive to protein like our low porosity sisters, you might take your hair more. But this my recipe is like a balance in my opinion, because the leaf I use, hibiscus is known to be a moisturizer, a softener, you understand? So I added this into the cloves recipe so that it wouldn't dry out our hair, because we are going to be using this recipe for 2 weeks. And if I've said it all, honestly, if you have low porosity hair, you have to watch how you use it, watch how your hair is responding, moisturize your hair often. These are disclaimers I'm giving you so that you will not say you tried it out on my channel and it cut your hair. It didn't cut my hair. In fact, what it helped me do, as in not from what I saw on the internet, it strengthened my hair. Like even when I tried detangling, because as a creator sometimes you just have to manipulate your hair to create content and all of that, which I am not proud of, because I'm supposed to be on a, you know, protective style challenge. If you're not new here, you know that we have been on about that for some time now. But it seems that this last quarter the pressure is getting worse. The
pressure is getting worse
because I didn't, you know, as you can see, I haven't made my hair since I took it down in August, I think. Yeah, August, no, September actually. I took it down early September and this is October. So if your hair like breaks a lot, if you experience a lot of breakage, your hair is too soft, this treatment is definitely going to help you. If you're still watching, in the comment section, give me a heart. You are the absolute best. you really want to grow your hair out. So this is just how I use it. I use it in styling my hair. So I spray it into my hair, and then I love Vaseline. This is a secret that you guys are seeing straight up. I use it at the ends of my hair because it will help my hair not to tangle up and knot up. I just twirl my ends with the Vaseline. It's actually really helpful. So this is one of the ways you can use it, not because you are doing a hair challenge your hair will look all rough and not in a good state. So I used it to style my hair. I don't know which day exactly this was, but I just decided to make short clips of different ways and the different days that I used the hair. This should be either day 2 or day 3 when I started using this tea. This is day 19. If you notice, I've actually changed the hairstyle that I was carrying. I use this to massage my hair and ease my scalp at night. If you tie your hair or style your hair during the day, I've said it in a previous video, make sure to untie it at night. So this is 19. We're counting down to the final conclusion of this challenge. I'm really hoping that I see results and everything. So this is actually the hairstyle. It's remaining 2 days, and now this is the last and final day, and we're going to be doing our length check soon. Always make sure to massage your scalp. I did a length check before, and now we're going to do a length check to see whether the hair actually grew. It is Tuesday, so this is day 22. Basically, guys, if I tell you that I want to open this hair now, you know that I'm lying. But the things I do for you guys, the things I do for love, because I really have been putting my hair to the test this period, and like I always say, leave your hair alone. I should take my advice. Okay, so guys, because of the hairstyle I was carrying, I had to open up the hair and properly detangle and comb it out so get the true length. So in case you see the tape bending, it's because I tried to raise it up for you. I actually grew about an inch in this challenge, so even though it was modified, it still works. So subscribe for more, and I hope to get your feedback in the comments below.